This is how to redirect your WordPress website to any link or site of your choice. So in this video, we'll be using this website, Tech. All you have to do is log into your WordPress admin, click on login. Then the next step is to go to the plugin section, click on add plugin, then search for a particular plugin called redirection. So we'll be using this particular plugin to redirect our website to any website or link of our choice. So that's it. Click on install. So once it is fully installed, go to tools. You will see the plugin there, redirection. Click on it. Then click on add new. Okay, first of all, let's go and create a blog. Let's create a blog post. Go to create a blog, then go to ChatGPT. Let us ask ChatGPT to write a blog post for us. So the reason people might want to redirect their website to anything they like is that you might want to run adverts on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, or anything, but they keep rejecting your website. Probably maybe your website does not comply with their advertisement policy. So all you have to do is bypass and trick them. So let's just make a random post. Click on publish. Okay, post publish, click on view. So this will be the link that we will redirect to another website. So let's copy the website link, paste it here. So this is the link we'll be redirecting, this particular link. So let's look for a site we redirect it to. Okay. Maybe you want to run adverts. Let me teach you if you want to run advert. Click on traffic, then continue. This is Facebook advertisement though. The manual. Then click on traffic. So input the link that we just put, that blog post. You have to copy it and input it here. You can see website URL. Let's click on preview. So this will be the particular website we'll be redirecting to another website. So for this tutorial, let's redirect it to our YouTube channel. So you can redirect it to any link of your choice. So let's redirect it to our YouTube channel. Click on add redirect. As you can see, it will be added. So the next step is to check the URL. As you can see, we just redirected our WordPress site to our YouTube channel. Let's refresh this. Voila. So once your Facebook advert has been approved, then you can set the redirection. So this is a simple way on how to redirect your website to any link of your choice. And the good thing about this plugin, it shows how many people have visited that particular link. So kindly do it to like, share, and subscribe.